Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to SproutGigs. The procedure is pretty simple and there's no rocket science involved. So without much ado, let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to come here to SproutGigs.com. The next thing that you need to do is you have to click on sign up and it will take you to the sign up page. Once when you're here, you have to type your real name. Let me just do that. And then you have to type your email address here. Then you have to create a password for your account. You have to retype your password here. Here you have to write a nickname for yourself. And then you have to select your country, the last thing that you need to do. So let me select my country here. Here you have to select I'm a worker, because obviously you'll be finding work here. And then you have to check both of these boxes and then sign up. All right, so we have to click save. And once when you're here, the last thing that you need to do is you have to confirm your email and then you'll be good to go. So let me just do it right here. Yes, I've got this email from SproutGigs. I have to click this link for the activation of my account. So I have to write my email and my password, which is already saved. And you can do this as well. And that's it. Here you go, guys. I'm right on the home page. You can switch your role later on if you want to be an employer. But for now, we'll just stick with worker. So this is the home page and you'll get a lot of gigs here. So that was it. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video for future videos like this. Thank you so much.